Connecting YouTube TV to your phone enhances your viewing experience, allowing you to control content directly from your device. Whether you're casting videos or pairing your phone with your smart TV, this guide will walk you through the process. First, ensure compatibility. Make sure that your phone and smart TV or streaming device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Second, launch the YouTube app on both your smart TV and mobile device. Ensure you are signed in to the same Google account on both devices. While watching YouTube on your TV, a pop-up may appear on your phone asking if you want to connect. Tap Connect. If you don't see the pop-up, close and reopen the app on your phone. On your smart TV, go to Settings and select Link with TV Code. A blue code will appear. On your phone, open the YouTube app. Tap the cast icon, then select Link with TV Code and enter the code displayed on your TV. Lastly, once paired, you can control video playback from your phone, like liking videos or checking descriptions while watching on your TV. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can easily connect YouTube TV to your phone, enhancing your viewing experience by allowing you to control content directly from your mobile device. Enjoy watching!